This is Greg Anderson with RE/MAX Advisors West, and you're watching Greg's Real Estate TV. Just want to talk today briefly about stripping assets out of properties as they're being foreclosed on. You know, it's a bad deal when people lose their homes, there's no doubt about it, but unfortunately a lot of people compound the problem by adding potentially a felony conviction for this. Minnesota has a statute, it's 609-615, and it's defeating security on realty. And basically, if the damages exceed or under $300, it can be up to a 90-day imprisonment, as well as up to or in addition to a $1,000 fine. If the amount's over $300, it can be up to 5 years in prison and or up to $10,000 fine. So just a really bad idea. So if you know anybody that's losing their home, encourage them not to strip out the properties. It's going to be like Napster. What's going to happen is one of the banks is going to take somebody to the mat, going to make national news, and really hate for it to be somebody that you know that's the one that they make the example of. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.